doing some editing, catching up with my video stuffs. So we're here chilling. You two doing some computer works. Oh, okay, never mind. Look what Dad got us this morning. Dude, I don't even know the Pokemon on here, man. I'm so out of the loop. Forbidden.
Oh man, I don't even know these Pokemon. Scatterbug.
What? That's your shiny?
Spupa.
What, you only get 3 cards? What? Used to be like $15 or 15 in a booster pack. We got a golden, bro. Okay. That baby. Here it is, dude. What? That's the rare? Wait, I only got 2 cards?
Yeah, I forgot.
Oh. I'm like, what?
Oh, okay, well.
Aw.
That one I know.
What? That's it? They only give you 3 cards per booster pack now? Come on, Pokemon. No, I think this is just like the... Wait, no, there's more.
No.
Oh, that's yours.
Yeah.
Oops. What up, guys? It is fucking hot as fuck, dude. I'm gonna die. So we're here eating at King Taco. Tons of FRS buddies here. This is sick, dude. Got Hans Koa, one of our supporters. What? Rallybacker V2. Holy, this is clean. Damn, man. And I think this is Daniel's S15. And look who's come to join the party. What the fuck? Damn, that thing's alarm. If you get anywhere near it, it actually goes off. This is hell on earth.
With no AC? Oh yeah.
Yeah, look at her little makeshift duct system.
Bro.
Don't worry. I'm on the same page. Oh.
I've never felt this much.
This is too much, man. Apparently it's like their hottest day of the year.
He always buys all of your merch and stuff.
Is that right? Does he owns one too, right? Is it white?
It's white.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I know him. That's dope, man. So this is Arby's, and we are gonna be heading to LTMW. Yo, nice rice hat, bro. Where's mine? Ah! AC ain't working in here, man. This is a torture. I'm burning. Dope. What the fudge? Crazy. God damn. There she is.
Yeah.
Damn. Dude, he's made it.
I brought this.
Hottest goddamn day of the year. We came at the right time. Everything in my car is hot to the touch. My AC's not working, and all of the electronics in my car have overheated. They can't turn on. This is hell. I'm done. And we're kind of running late to our own meet, as usual. But meet itself is happening at a place called Cafe 86. There's a reason why it's called this. I'll explain more when we get to the spot. Woo! 110, bro. I'm done. It's hella hot. Oh my god. We're here, we're here. Yo, dope. The infamous Cafe 86. Oh my god. I'm done with this weather.
Yo, simultaneously with blowing hot.
There is no way.
Sorry, I'm so sorry.
How's it going, guys? What's up? We're not used to this up in Canada.
This just happened recently, so.
Yeah, apparently we came during a heat wave. Dude, this is sick. So you can tell this place is a little Filipino inspired.
Yeah, it's too hot for me.
Yo, nice meeting you, dude. That's our new handshake. Good to see you, man. Yo, what's up? Alright, this meet has a lot of FRS 86s, BRZs here, but I mean, it's a given. Like, this is a kit you wouldn't normally see on an FRS. I'm not entirely sure why not many people go with it, but it's a subtle wide body. So people call this the K-Mash kit, and it stands for K-Miura for Speed Hunters. So the creator of Rocket Bunny actually designed this for speed hunters.
2 green cars.
Yeah, I know, man. Except yours is sick. It's like a dragon green, man.
It's a wrap. Yours is a wrap too, right?
Is that really? Dude, I'm gonna actually copy you.
Yeah, go for it, dude.
Justin, pleasure to meet you, man. Enjoy Disneyland, man.
Bro.
Peace. Damn. Derp's gonna be putting on the Lost Royalty banner. Yeah. On this white FRS. Oh shit. Got the birdie chew card too. That's dope. Respect.
I tried my chances.
That's cool. That's cool.
Right here.
Had it for a while.
Right on. Who owns which?
This one's mine,
It's yours.
and then that's it.
That's dope, man.
Mine's in the shop.
Oh, is it? Oh, getting worked on? Oh, no. Crazy. See ya. Dude, I'd want one of these. Alright, Dominic, thanks for coming over, man.
Alright,
yeah.
thank you.
Pleasure, yeah.
Oh my god.
Alright, man.
Yeah.
Peace. Peace out. Yo, repping Midnight Kids and Endless, man. That's so sick.
So my mom and I watch your vlogs together, man. I was trying to get her to come out.
No way. What? Sorry, what?
She wanted me to tell you. She's like, oh, hey, tell him I think he's really cool. So that's from my mom.
Thanks, Mom. Sweet. Shane, nice to meet you, man. Thanks for letting me sign your FRS, man. Good luck with the build.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
Just thanks for coming. Yeah, peace out.
That burger, though.
My California experience.
Sponsor me in and out.
Repping the KMR banner, Lost Royalty banner. Dude, appreciate the support, man.
no worries.
Alright, we're gonna sign his dash. Yo, look at this. This is OG, man. Peace, Yachty.
Yeah.
Pleasure, man. Thanks for coming out. Very cool.
Because they were gonna pick up headers for their BRC.
You heading out, dude?
Yeah, about to.
Soon? Okay, no worries,
There's gonna be a
man.
little traffic going home because everyone's going home from here to San Diego.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, so you got some a drive. It's like 2 hours?
Yeah, 2 hours, guys.
Not too bad.
Yeah, with traffic like 2 hours and a half.
Exactly, yeah. Good meeting you, man.
meeting you,
Thank you.
finally.
Yeah, actually, man. Yeah. Damn, yo, peace.
See you Thursday.
Yeah, It's starting to cool down, dude. I've been sweating all day. Alright. Huh? I know, me too. Me too. Feel disgusting. But hey, we did it. We were able to survive a heat wave. Even the locals are saying that this isn't regular heat. So
50 degrees for the people that know. And what is it? in US
Celsius,
terms, like
Fahrenheit.
120?
Yeah, 120 Fahrenheit. That was torture. No working AC, so it just made it worse. All in all, successful meet. Nice little turnout, and everyone here is super welcoming, man. So Cafe 86, definitely Filipino inspired. I'm pretty sure the owner owned a Terreno. That's why this place is called Cafe 86. And we are able to host meets like this. Plus, in the long run, gives this place business too. So hope to hold more of these because everyone here is all super chill. Dude. He knows his radius, bro. That was so close. Yo, see you guys. Safe travels. Ingat.
Take care.
Yeah. It's actually more people rolling in. Alibacker V2.
I've never seen my chick. I'll see what she wants to do. I'll bring her out.
Never seen that before. What the hell?
It's just a light up party.
Yeah. It's new to me, man. I was like, what is this? You can see the energy flowing back into your...
I know. I was like,
that's crazy.
oh, you see it charge.
Yeah, pretty much, man. Little meet is ending. I think we're going for some KBBQ. But we got...
Don't lie to them.
Where are we going?
MJ Cafe.
Alright, that's it. Okay, MJ Cafe. I'm new to this place. I don't know. And I think we got quite the FRS crew.
Should be 23 minutes away.
That's what it says, man. Nice, dude. Let's go eat.
Let's go eat bakeries. What time is it?
Dude, no, you need real savory foods, man. Stop it with the sweets. You are what you eat.
Yeah,
Junk.
I've been getting soft.
I shouldn't be talking.
But look, it's a cafe though. Doesn't cafe equal bakery? Sweets.
I'm on the fence about that one. Usually coffee and baked goods, like a biscuit. Oh, this place looks lit. MJ. Yo, these guys are figuring out who's sitting down, man. We got a large group. There's an earthquake! Nah, there's an earthquake!
Very sweaty.
It's supposed to be transition. Damn, man. You two going for the sweets.
Calories don't count on vacation.
Oh yeah, it's a one time type of deal, right?
I think so, yeah.
Have you used it?
That's your bug spray.
Yeah.
Dude, just let him be.
He's dead. He's
Oh,
dead.
He's chilling.
He's so dead.
Why?
Chilling dead.
Really?
Yeah, they crushed him.
They actually did.
How was I joking?
Oh, poor cockroach, man. Sorry, bud. Yo, good chilling, man. For sure. Appreciate you for coming, man.
No problem. It was a real highlight, man.
Heck yeah, dude. These guys have a 3-hour drive ahead of them, so drive safe.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it, man.
Oh no, this from.
This guy's repping the hentai kings. Good night, guys.
For real, I'm normally sleeping already.
Follow this guy's build. Just look at that color shift. So nice. It's a rare Pokemon, dude.
A rare cockroach appeared.
There he is. Go, bud. You got this, bud. Oh, that thing's gross. That thing is actually gross.
Thanks, babe.
My heart.
You're so fucking quirky when you do it.
I wasn't expecting that to happen, but that's why you always have to have the camera rolling.
Were you?
No, I just missed it. Okay, reenact one more time.